today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and automate your job search in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean workspace with core tables to track every application, every person you talk to, and every company you're targeting, plus a simple automation that reminds you to follow up right on time. We'll start with the foundation, a table for job applications. Create a new table and name it Job Applications. Add fields for the role title, the company name, the application status, the date you applied, and a follow-up date. Make the status a single select so you can mark things like to apply, applied, interviewing, or offer. Use date fields for the applied and follow-up dates to keep timelines accurate. Include a notes field for details like how you found the job posting link, or key points to highlight in your outreach. This becomes your central dashboard, so keep it tidy and consistent. Next, build a contacts table to keep track of people connected to your applications. Add fields for name, title, organization, relationship, and the last time you were in touch. When you log a new contact, note why they're relevant. Maybe they're a recruiter, a hiring manager, or someone who referred you. This table helps you stay thoughtful and targeted in your communication, and it prevents important relationships from slipping through the cracks. Optionally, but highly recommended, create a companies table. This is where you store organization-level context, industry, location, size, and any notes about culture or recent news. Use a priority or interest field to identify your top targets. This table is especially powerful if you're researching broadly and want to return to strong leads later, even if there isn't an open role today. With your core tables in place, let's add a simple automation to keep you on track. Open Airtable automations and set the trigger to run when the follow-up date in your job applications table is today. For the action, choose your preferred channel. Send an email to yourself or post a message to Slack. In the message body, reference your fields so it reads clearly, like follow up with a company for the role position. This way, every morning you'll get a timely nudge for exactly what needs attention without digging through spreadsheets or inboxes. To wrap up, keep your entries current, use consistent naming, and update statuses as you move forward. With job applications, contacts, companies, and your follow-up reminder working together, you'll stay organized, proactive, and confident throughout your job search.